In lean manufacturing, there are three hidden enemies that drain productivity and profit: Muda, Mura, and Muri. Let's break them down. First, Muda. Muda means waste, any activity that consumes resources but adds no value. Examples include overproduction, waiting time, unnecessary transport, or defects. Next is Mura, which means unevenness or inconsistency. When workloads vary wildly, workers and machines can't perform at their best. Standardizing processes helps reduce Mura. The third is Muri, overburden. This happens when people or machines are pushed beyond safe or reasonable limits. Muri leads to breakdowns, mistakes, and burnout. To achieve true lean excellence, you must tackle all three. Eliminate waste, smooth out processes, and avoid overburdening your people and equipment. Remember, fighting Muda, Mura, and Muri creates flow, efficiency, and a safer, happier workplace. Start small and watch the results grow.